Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Lilo antibacterial toy spray. So let's get started. So this is the Lilo premium cleaning spray itself. It contains 60 milliliters and it's perfect to pop in your bag or especially when you're traveling as well. Simple and easy to use. It contains active antimicrobial ingredients proven to kill 99.9% of all germs, while the addition of zinc salts reduce any chance of irritation. It's simple and easy to use and of course has a luxurious feel. Simply spray a couple of pumps onto your toy. Simple, easy to use, and we'd recommend to use it in combination with lukewarm water. There's also directions in various different languages on the back here as well, telling you how to use it properly as well. A great addition to your collection and great to use in combination with your Lilo toys as well. It's suitable for use with silicone, rubber and latex toys. And that is the Lilo antibacterial toy cleaner. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.